In this video, we will solve another model test paper for class 8th. Let's get started. All the questions are compulsory. Section A, Reading Skill. Part A, study the given poster and answer the questions that follow. Speed thrills but kills. Drive safe. 1 second can change your life. Together we save millions of lives. Rash and negligent driving, often under the influence of some intoxicant, and the use of smartphone while driving are major causes of fatal road accidents. The faster your speed, the harder the impact. So, drive slowly and safe. Your family is waiting for you. Avoid speed driving and respect other road users. Safety first, speed next. Now, question number 1. The given poster gives us the message that we should have. Option A, rash driving. Option B, safe driving. Option B, speed driving. Option C, safe driving, or option D, negligent driving. The correct option is we should have safe driving, option C. Question number 2. The main cause or causes of the road accidents are dash. Option A, use of mobile phone while driving. Option B, driving under the influence of some intoxicant. Option C, both A and B, or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 3. What should be done to have safety on the road? Option A, avoid speed driving. Option B, respect other road users. Option C, drive slow and safe. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all these options. So option D, all of the above. Question number 4. What thrills but kills? Option A, speed. Option B, safety. Option C, smartphone. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, speed. Coming to part B, study the given dialogue and answer the questions that follow. Cashier: hello, may I take your order? Customer: hi, I'll have a double cheeseburger. Cashier: with everything on it? Customer: no, no onions please. Cashier: sure, would you like the combo deal or just the sandwich? Customer: how much is the combo? Cashier: the combo is $4.9. It comes with medium fries and drink. Customer: okay, let's change it to a combo then. Cashier: certainly. What would you like to drink? Customer: Coke please. Cashier: Diet Coke or regular? Customer: regular. Cashier: would you like anything else? Customer: no, that will be all. Thanks. Cashier: for here or to go? Customer: for here. Cashier: that will be $5.45 please. Customer: thank you, here you go. So question number 5. What is the subject of this conversation? Option A, ordering fast food. Option B, purchasing onions. Option C, payment in bank. Or option D, business deal. The right option is A, ordering fast food. Question number 6. What does the customer want to order? Option A, cheese tikka. Option B, cheeseburger. Option C, double burger. Or option D, curd with snacks. The right answer is option B, cheeseburger. Now he ordered double cheeseburger, but it doesn't mean that he ordered double burger. So the correct answer is cheeseburger. Question number 7. What is the price of combo? Option A, rupees 4.99. Option B, $4.99. Option C, 5.45 rupees, or option D, $4.99. Now B and D options are same, maybe some typing error. So 4.99, both B and D are correct. Question number 8. Which Coke does the customer want to order? Option A, regular. Option B, diet. Option C, both. Or option D, none of these. So he orders regular Coke. So A is the correct answer. Coming to section B, that is literature part. A part, choose the correct answer. Question number 9. What made the narrator unhappy from chapter Value of Money? Option A, storage of computer. Option B, speed of computer. Option C, limitations of Bell computer. Or option D, limitations of her own computer. The right answer is limitations of her own computer. Question number 10. The narrator wanted to buy the computer of dash company. Again from chapter Value of Money. So option A, Bell. Option B, Dell. Option C, Acer. Or option D, Sony. The right answer is Bell computer, option A. Question number 11. Long ago, there was a province in dash called dash, from the aged mother. Option A, Japan, Hitachi. Option B, Japan, Shining. Option C, Japan, Segami. Or option D, Japan, Higo. So the right answer is option B, Japan, Shining. Next question is 12th. What was demanded by the despotic leader from chapter The Aged Mother? Option A, rope of ash. Option B, rope of stone. Option C, rope of twigs. Or option D, rope of twisted straw. The correct answer is option A, rope of ash. Question number 13. According to Saint Ravidas, what is man's sacred duty? From chapter Saint Ravidas. Option A, to bring peace to troubled heart. Option B, to save animal life. Option C, to love every creature on earth. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option all of these, D. Question number 14. What were the two wishes of Sandeep from chapter The Old Sage and the Brothers? Option A big house and a poultry farm. Option B, a big house and a car. Option C, a big house and a field. Or option D, a big house and 10 cows. Now Sandeep is the third brother. He wanted a big house and a field. So option C is the right answer. Part B. Choose the correct meaning of the given word. Question number 15. What is the meaning of journey? Journey is yatra, going from one place to another. So A, yatra is the correct answer. Question number 16. What is the meaning of the word impression? Option A, parishani. Option B, prabhav. Option C, girawat. Or option D, pojal. The right answer is option B, prabhav. Part C. Choose the correct option. Question number 17. Identify the underlined character. He gave orders for the aged to be put to death. Option A, the farmer. Option B, the governor. Option C, the aged mother. Option D, the neighbor. Now the governor, the despotic leader, he was also called the governor. He gave the orders for the aged to be put to death. So option B is the right answer. Question number 18. Fill in the blank. The sage gave a piece of dash to Raman. Option A, cloth. B, stick. C, rope. Or D, cake. Now option B, stick is the right answer. Part D. Read the given stanza and answer the following questions. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. Now, the name itself is Don't Quit. Question number 19. Name the poem and the poet. A. Don't Quit, Edgar A. Guest. B. The Earth Needs You, Anonymous. Option C. We Who Love Books, Ruskin Bond. Or option D. My Dear Soldiers, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Since only first two poems are in your syllabus, that is Don't Quit and The Earth Needs You, these lines are taken from the poem Don't Quit and it is composed by Edgar A. Guest. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 20th. What should not be done when things seem worse? Option A. Do not work hard. Option B. Do not laugh. Option C. Do not quit. Or option D. Do not fight. The correct answer is option C. Do not quit. Part E. Choose the correct answer. Question number 21. People use single-use plastic because it is dash. From the poem The Earth Needs You. Option A. Cheap. Option B. Lasts long. Option C. Both A and B. Or option D. None of these. The right answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 22. Pick out the false statement from the poem The Earth Needs You. Option A. We should cut down the uses of plastic. Option B. Plastic pollutes the oceans. Option C. Grocery bags are examples of single-use plastic. Or option D. Plastic does not harm the environment. Option D is wrong. Plastic harms the environment. So this is false that plastic does not harm. So option D is the correct answer. Section C. Vocabulary part. Question number 23. Choose the most appropriate one word for the given group of words. The art of beautiful handwriting. Option A. Pilgrim. Option B. Artist. Option C. Calligraphy. Or option D. Patriot. The correct answer is option C. Calligraphy. Question number 24. Select the correct noun form of the word confuse. Option A. Confused. Option B. Confusion. Option C. Confusing. Option D. Confuses. Now A, C and D both are verb forms. Option B. Confusion is the noun form. So this is the right answer. Coming to section D. Translation and grammar. Part A. Choose the correct translation for question 25th. Complete your work. Option A. अपना काम पूरा करो, अपना काम पूरा करो. Option B. अपना काम ना करो, अपना काम मत करो. Option C. उसका काम पूरा करो, उसका काम पूरा करो. Option D. मेरा काम सही है, मेरा काम ठीक है. So the correct answer is अपना काम पूरा करो, अपना काम पूरा करो. Option A. Question number 26. He has not passed this year. ऑप्शन ए. ओहो इस साल पास होया है, वह इस वर्ष पास हुआ है. ऑप्शन बी. ओहो इस साल पास नहीं होया है, वह इस वर्ष पास नहीं हुआ है. ऑप्शन सी. असी इस साल पास नहीं हुए हाँ, हम इस वर्ष पास नहीं हुए हैं. ऑप्शन डी. मैं इस साल पास नहीं होया हाँ, मैं इस वर्ष पास नहीं हुआ हूँ. सो बी इज द राइट आंसर. he means ओहो. ओहो इस साल पास नहीं होया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. मेरे अध्यापक ने कापी चेक कर ली है, मेरे अध्यापक ने कापी जांच ली है. ऑप्शन ए. माई टीचर हैड चेक्ड द नोटबुक. ऑप्शन बी. माई टीचर हैड नॉट चेक्ड द नोटबुक. ऑप्शन सी. माई टीचर हैज नॉट चेक्ड द नोटबुक. ऑप्शन डी. My teacher has checked the notebook. The right option is option D. My teacher has checked the notebook. Question number 28. उसकी बहन बहुत अक्लमंद है, उसकी बहन बहुत अक्लमंद है. Option A. Her sister is very wise. Option B. Her sister is very kind. Option C, her sister is very clever. Option D, her sister is very poor. Now, Akalmand means wise. So, option A, her sister is very wise, is the right answer. Part B, do as directed. Question number 29. Change into exclamatory sentence. It is very hot today. Option A, how hot it is today. Option B, how hot is it today? Option C, how hot is the weather today? Option D, how hot is the day today? Now we are talking about only it is very hot today, not weather, not day. So only A is the right answer. Question number 30. State the type of sentence. Clean your room. A, assertive sentence. B, imperative sentence. C, interrogative sentence. D, exclamatory sentence. Now clean your room, it begins with first form of the verb. This is imperative sentence. Option B is the right answer. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Question number 31. But I have dash idea of all this. A, an. B, a. C, any. D, that. Option A, but I have an idea of all this is the right answer. Option A. Question number 32. Did you hear dash noise? Option A, much. Option B, any. Option C, little. Or option D, each. Option B, any is the correct answer. Question number 33. Select the main verb in the given sentence. We go to the cinema every week. Option A, we. B, go. C, cinema. Or D, every. The right answer is option B, go. Question number 34. Pick out the correct option with correct comparative and superlative degree of the adjective good. Option A, worse, best. Option B, bad, better. Option C, better, best. Or option D, better, worst. The correct answer is good, better, best. So C is the correct answer. Question number 35. Fill in the blank with the correct infinitive form of the verb given in the bracket. She failed dash the train. In bracket it's given catch. Option A, to catch. B, catching. C, catch. Or option D, catched. The right answer is option A, to catch. Coming to section E, writing skill. Question number 37. You have to write an application to your principal asking for a school living certificate. Which of the following will not be included in the application? Option A, your reason for leaving the school. Option B, when will you leave the school? Option C, where will you take admission afterwards? Or option D, your reason for full fee concession. The right answer is option D, your reason for full fee concession, because you are asking for school living certificate. Question number 37. You have to write a letter to your friend informing him about your brother's marriage and inviting him. Whose address would be written in the beginning? Option A, sender. Option B, receiver. Option C, post office. Option D, none of these. The one who writes or sends the letter means sender or writer. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 38. You have to write a letter to your friend telling him or her about what steps are you taking to stay safe from COVID-19. So which of the following steps will be included in the letter? Option A, wear a mask. Option B, social distancing. Option C, cleaning of hands with soap and water. Or D, all of the above. Since all these steps should be taken, so all of the above, option D is the right answer. Question number 39. The language of a notice should be dash. Option A, impersonal and objective. Option B, personal and objective. C, impersonal and subjective, or D, personal and subjective? The right answer is option A. It should be impersonal and objective. Question number 40. You are the sports captain of your school. You have to write a notice for students to inform them about the details of the sports day. Which of the following will be the appropriate heading? Option A, annual function. Option B, annual sports day. Option C, notice. Or option D, sports captain. The right answer is option B, annual sports day. So that's all for today. A very good luck for term 1 exam. Thank you.